welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. Thanks for clicking on the video. So today I am doing a laundry motivation video, hoping to inspire and motivate you guys to do your laundry or whatever you need to do today, especially considering what's happening in the world with the coronavirus and people being isolated or whatever it's called. So I'm hoping that maybe if you are in that situation, you can come along and do your laundry with me. Leave it down in the comments down below. Also, if you're new here and you've just clicked on my video, thank you very much. Leave your name, where you're from, what's happening in your part of the world. I'd love to hear from you. So let's get on with doing some laundry.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So if you've got to this part of the video, I'm just going to be folding and putting away, which is one part of laundry that I hate, and I've said it before, but I am trying to get better at it, and I have gotten better at it over the past few weeks. When I was sick and had other things going on and wasn't doing YouTube, that was one thing that I tried to do, was do the laundry and put it away. So hopefully I can motivate you guys to finish the whole process, wash it, dry it, fold it, put it away. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing by hitting the red button down below and also hit that notification bell. At the moment, I'm uploading once a week on a Sunday, so you'll be the first to know when my video hits. It's usually around 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
Outside, a little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. Met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. your credit card. Rolex on your credit card. Still you won't quit, trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
So that's my laundry almost done. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please leave it in the comments down below if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.
You must be mad. You got nothing on me.